I know it's a mess, but I thought I'd show off my PC progress right now. This is my first PC build. I put all the parts in it. Have a cooler master cooler on a Intel i7 10700K processor. Have a W Blue 2TB SSD. I have a Wi-Fi card in it right now, but it's actually connected to the Ethernet because I used to have the Ethernet connected to Xbox to have really good internet on there, but I'm moving towards PC gaming now. So yeah, I just went ahead and put the Ethernet back on there. We have 32 gigabytes of RAM on a ballistics. And the motherboard is a Asus Z490 motherboard. And I think that's about all in there. This is a main gear Vibe case for the ATX motherboard. Have a Blue Yeti microphone, works pretty well. That's just a little cheap webcam that I'm probably going to replace soon. And I have two monitors. They're both Samsung 1080p 60Hz monitors. I'm upgrading to 144Hz monitors soon, and as you can see, one of them is connected to my GameCube. Got a nice little collection of games, and they don't have built-in speakers, so I have the first monitor connected to some headphones. I have some Bowers & Wilkins speakers connected to a Rodal A12 amplifier. Also have the subwoofer down there. And then right here, my favorite thing about this whole setup is this keyboard. Corsair K68 RGB keyboard. I have it set right now to resemble like droplets of water. And yeah, this thing is super solid. I've never had a mechanical keyboard before, and this thing is amazing. Upgrading the mouse and the mouse pad soon because yeah, it just needs to be replaced. I'm probably going to get one of those big sheets and yeah, get squared on that. But that's about all the PC stuff. I will be getting a graphics card soon, hopefully a NVIDIA 3060 or 3080, somewhere around that. Then over here, have my art printer. It's for big prints, and I am selling prints, and I do make custom prints as well. So let me know if you want me to make any of those. And that's about it. I know I post skating stuff, but I can't really skate right now. So yeah, this is my first PC setup. It's coming along pretty well. Found the desk in the basement. And yeah, everything's looking good so far. Can't wait to get the new monitors, the mouse, and the graphics card. Once those come in, everything's gonna just change. All right, thanks for watching.